We drifted off last night to the first flakes. This morning, the red roofs are completely covered. A log crackles in the fireplace. It's the 24th, Christmas Eve in most parts of the world. But here, in the Czech Republic, we'll celebrate Christmas Day. The first in a day of many traditions is the typical bread pastry called Vánočka. Tradition says this should be the last thing we eat before the big dinner feast, and that if we're lucky, our fast will bring visions of the lucky golden pig. Just in case, we've made our own. We watch fairy tales and snack on Christmas cookies throughout the afternoon. Okay, so if there's a star, it's good luck?
Yes.
That looks pretty lucky. Under each plate we slide a crisp 2,000 Czech crown note for good fortune in the year to come. The table's set and the traditions continue. The meal is a simple, yet delicious one. We toast with champagne, but for the rest of the meal, it's local Czech beer all the way. The lentil soup is thick and creamy. Freshly fried carp caught from a local pond, which is only eaten on Christmas Day, paired with a homemade potato salad recipe passed down through the decades. We add chicken schnitzel just to ensure that everyone's happy. It's late evening when I realize that Santa isn't coming, but not to worry. A ring of the bell signals that Ježíšek has delivered gifts all the same.
Tady taky není nic napsané. Aha, to je něco pro tebe.
Bye, boy! Do you normally do sparklers inside?
Usually.